name is Miguel from Bruno Simão attorneys, and if you're watching this video, you most likely have a problem with unlawful occupiers or tenants on your property. Here at Bruno Simão attorneys, we have a 5-phase process, and this video is just going to give you a quick rundown on this process. The first thing you need to know is that there are 2 types of evictions: unopposed evictions and opposed evictions. So what's the difference? An unopposed eviction is where only the landlord's version gets put to the court, and an opposed eviction is where both the landlord and the unlawful occupier's versions get put to the court. So what is the 5-phase process? In phase 1, we have the letter of demand, and during this phase, we also deliver a notice to vacate and a letter of cancellation terminating the lease. In phase 2, we draft the main application, and this gets served on the unlawful occupiers and the municipality by the sheriff. In phase 3, we have the section 4.2 application, and this is a requirement by the court so that we let the unlawful occupiers and the municipality know about the impending main application date. In phase 4, we have the eviction hearing, and this is where the advocate goes to the magistrate or the judge and puts the papers before the court and gets a court order. And then we have phase 5. And in phase 5, it's the main eviction. And this is where the sheriff of the court goes to the property and evicts the tenants from the property. At Bruno Simão attorneys, we pride ourselves that 70% of our evictions are completed in phase 1 and phase 2. If you need any further help, kindly contact us on info@brunosimãolaw.co.za. Thank you.